I feel like now that my hair is done, I can live my life. You know that feeling when you haven't done your hair and you're just like, I can't move on. I can't do nothing because my hair is not done. My hair is done now. I can live my life. I can do what I have to do. Such a great feeling. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria and this is Victoria's Coils. Today I'm going to be talking about how I installed these mini braids. So if you're interested in installing mini braids, then keep on watching. But wait, before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe so you can join the Victory Gang, where we empower each other to rock our natural hair, and so you can be notified every time I post a video. Also, make sure to like this video, and yeah, we can go ahead and get started. I'm using a mixture of liquids to moisturize my hair. These are liquids that work for me, which are fenugreek, hibiscus, aloe. For the sealant, I'm using sea moss along with the As I Am, I believe it's a curling cream, and olive oil. My hair has not been blow dried, it has been air dried and stretched over the span of a day while having braids in. This is imperative. Separate your hair into 4 sections. This is the most important part of my technique and has saved me so much headache over just doing mini braids so many times, is to section it in 4 quadrants, okay? This has helped me so much instead of starting in the back of my head and just doing rows all the way till I get to the top of my head. So this has helped me so much. I ended up doing 2 braids for the first back row. I'm doing my mini braids small, but not as small as micro braids, so you can adjust as you please and do your braids how big or small you want. But for me, when I do them too small, that is just a little too hard for me to take out. So basically, they're pretty small, but these aren't like micro braids. So that section in the middle, I'm actually not braiding it right away. When I start on the right side, the right quadrant, I'm going to include that piece of hair to make one braid. So I'm going to have the hair overlapping in the different rows, kind of like a checkerboard, so that they're not completely aligned. The reason I do that is so that when you let your hair down, like there are no gaps in your hair since your hair is so aligned. This is going to allow hair to fall into the different gaps of the braids. Alright, so we're in the front, and this is where you have to make sure that your parts look clean. So I just started with the front because it's easier for me. I can see what I'm doing, and then I work my way towards the back, and I continue making rows. Right here is where you see me making the next section in the middle of the braid of the first section so they can intersect. And that's pretty much it to it. You just keep creating rows as clean as you can. The parting is really what makes this look clean. Lastly, I oiled my scalp with tea tree and olive oil. And that is it for my mini braids tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. The checkered system and the quadrant system really works for me. I hope that it works for you. These mini braids really help me retain length, and they give me a lot of flexibility to work with throughout the months when I have them in. I can pretty much do any style that I want, and so I hope that you guys enjoy your mini braids, that you found this video helpful. Seriously, if this video really helped you out, please make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button so you can get notified each time I post a video. And until next time, bye. Whew, okay, wow. Now that the parting is done, start the actual style. Okay, let's go. Got the chips on deck. Come on, I'm ready. Got some YouTube. I got my coconut water. Like, what's up? We finna do this.